Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix the recycle bins not showing on your desktop. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to right click on your desktop and click on personalize. After that you have to click on themes option from the left side corner, and now you have to scroll down and you will get one option over there. It's called desktop icon settings. So you have to click over there, and after that you have to check this option. It's called recycle bin. Now click on apply and then click on OK. So now as you can see, the recycle bin is showing on my desktop. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions in the comments down below, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.